In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bullet points in Prezi in just a few simple steps. If you're building a presentation and want to make your text cleaner, easier to read, and more professional, bullets are one of the fastest ways to organize your ideas. They help break up long paragraphs, highlight key points, and make your slides much easier for your audience to follow. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Prezi presentation and go to the text box where you want to add bullet points. Click inside the text area and highlight all the text lines you want to turn into a list. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse across the lines or by using your keyboard to select the text if that's easier for you. The important part here is to make sure the lines you want formatted are selected before you apply the bullet style. Once your text is highlighted, look directly above the text box for the grey formatting toolbar. This toolbar appears right over your selected text and gives you quick access to formatting options like bold, italic, alignment, and lists. If you don't see it right away, make sure the text is still selected because Prezi only shows those options when you're actively editing. Now, on that grey toolbar, find the bulleted list icon. It usually looks like 3 stacked dots next to short horizontal lines. This is the button you need to create a bullet list instantly. Go ahead and click it once. The moment you do, Prezi will automatically add bullet points to your selected text lines, and that's it. Your text is now formatted as a bullet list. This is a really useful feature when you want to turn plain text into something more structured and presentation friendly. Whether you're listing key ideas, steps, features, or talking points, bullet points can make your Prezi slide much easier to understand at a glance. If you want to make the list even better, you can click back into the text and adjust the wording so each bullet stays short and clear. That usually works best in presentations because bullet points are meant to be quick and easy to scan. You can also use this same method anytime you need to organize text in Prezi, so once you know where the bullet icon is, it becomes a very fast editing trick. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. It really helps support the channel and it lets you know when new how-to videos are posted. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.